Today, we're exploring the intersection of machine learning and music. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence characterized by the ability for machines to imitate the way that humans learn. Machine learning can add new dimensions to the composition and the production of music. Music information retrieval is an example of this new field of music machine learning. Imagine an algorithm that can take all of the aspects of your favorite song and genres and compose new music from what it learned. How cool would that be? Writing an ordinary program for a computer to do this would be incredibly time-consuming or nearly impossible, similar to the difficulty of creating a program to recognize pictures of different people. While humans can do this easily, it's difficult to write everything down for a computer to do it. Yet, with machine learning, computers can learn how to program themselves with algorithms and datasets to do these tasks with ease. Now, with the help of technology, you can compose and play back music without ever picking up an instrument. All you need is a computer, a set of headphones, and some specialized software. Technology will never replace the soul and the creativity of humans creating music. But one of the main advantages artificial intelligence has is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in order to identify patterns and predict trends. This can help producers and marketers release music that is more likely to resonate with their target audience. I'm excited for you to join me for this LINGO project, where you'll compose your own song with an instrument that you created from scratch using the electronic components in your LINGO kit.